Hello, Standard 7. Going to teach maths, chapter Data Handling 1, Statistic, and it is part 3. We have already discussed the frequency distribution table, okay, and to find the mean. And what I have told, in the next part I will teach you mean, median and mode. So mean, very easy, you must have understood it. Next is median. Median means what? Mid value, middle one, or mid value. Very clear or not? If I am writing 5, 7, 6, what is the mid value? Which is in the middle? Don't say 7, it will be wrong. First arrange it in ascending or descending order. Means you have to write is arrayed data. We have to write 5, 6, 7, and which one is in the middle? Median is equal to 6, because 6 is in the middle, that is median. So easy, very easy, okay. But instead of 3, if 4 numbers are there, then what will be the mid value? If 5 is there, all right, to this side, and 1 in the middle. Means if odd number is there, very easily we can find the median. But if even number is there, let me show. If I am writing here 4, 5, 4, 2, 3. Find the median of the following. What you will do? First write as arrayed data. Means either in the ascending or descending order. We can write it 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, which is in the middle? Is it a odd or even? Even number. So, for even number, add these two middle one. 3 plus 4, and it is 7. And divide 7 by 2. 3.5 will be the median. Understood or not? So if odd number is there, easily we can find. If even number is there, the two middle one must be added and divided by 2. Very clear? So we can find the mid value. Now there is a formula. Let us use the formula and then we will solve median. One question from the example I am solving. Find the median of 7, 6, 5, 3, 9, 4, 3. Find median. Okay. Then what we have to do? Either we have to write in ascending order or in descending order. Okay, let us write in ascending order. Smallest one is 3. 2 3s are here. So 3, 3. Then 4. Then 6. Then No. 4, then 5, then 6, and then 7. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. 2, 4, 6. Now, no 7 is there. 3, 9 is also there now. 9 is also there. Now, find the total number. How many they are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, number n is equal to 7. N, total number, it is 7. So, it is odd or even? 7 is odd. By seeing only, you can find 3 this side, 3 this side, and the median will be 5. But let us find it, the number of observation n, which is odd. So, median for the odd, median for which odd number, you can use the formula n plus 1 by n plus 1 by 2 observation. What things I have written, which formula I am writing. Okay. Now, if odd number are there, then we will use the formula n plus 1 by 2th observation. N is what? N is 7. 7, n is equal to 7 plus 1 by 2. Means 8 by 2. Means 4th observation. 4th observation. See, which one is the 4th observation? First, second, third, and 4th observation is 5. So, median will be equal to 5. Understood or not? 5th observation, 4th observation, not 4. 4th, जो भी चौथा में होगा, that is. Next, if the number is n is even, then which formula we will use? Let us see one more example. Find the median of 4, 6, 2, 8, 3, 7, 9, 8. Here the total number n is equal to what? How many observations are there? N means number of observation. And how many number of observation are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 8 is odd or even? Even. And let us arrange in ascending order. Let us write in ascending order. No need to write this sentence, ascending order. Just to explain, I am writing. So, if we will write in ascending order or descending order, okay, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 2, 8 are there, then 9. You can write in ascending or descending order both, same answer will come. Okay, so here n is 8, which is even, and for even number we will use the formula median is equal to 1 by 2 into n by tooth plus n by 2 plus 1 observation. See what I have written. If the number of observation is even, here it is 8, so 8 is a even number. So median will be 1 by 2 n by tooth. N by tooth means what? N is 8. 8 by 2 means fourth observation, plus fourth and 1 5, fifth observation. Okay, divided by 2. Now what is fourth observation? 1 2 3 4. Fourth observation is 6 and plus fifth observation is 7. 6 plus 7 is what? 13. Okay, 13 by 2 means 6.5, and it is the answer. Very clear or not? So easily we have understood about the median, if it is odd or if it is even. Now let us discuss one new thing. Frequency I have discussed. Now let me discuss about the cumulative frequency. New word for you. Cumulative frequency. Table. We have discussed about frequency table, already discussed, in which tally mark, okay, frequency, number of observation we have to write. But here one more word is added, cumulative frequency table. Let us see. Arranging the data in ascending order. Okay, let us see. Marks obtained. Marks obtained. And here number of students. See here, marks obtained and number of student. 4, then 6, 6, then 8, 7, then 11, 8, then 13, 10, then 12. See here. This data is arranged in 4, 6, 7, 8, 10. Marks obtained means data is arranged in ascending order. Okay. Now write the data as we write in frequency distribution table. Marks obtained. Marks obtained, and that we write as X. Very clear. Marks obtained. Next, number of students. Number of students, which is our frequency. And here, cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. In short, we will write CF, cumulative frequency. First, let me write this data. Then I will come to cumulative frequency. Marks obtained 4, 6, 7, 8 and 10. This is the marks obtained. Number of students means frequency. 6, 8, 11, 13 and 12. This understood? Now cumulative frequency. See how I am writing. 6. So first one will be same. Cumulative frequency 6. Next one, 6 and 8 must be added. 6 plus 8, 14. Understood or not? In the next, 14 plus 11 will be added. 14 plus 11, and it is 4, 1, 5 and 1, 1, 2. In third, 25 plus 13, 8 and 2, 1, 3. And next, 38 plus 12, it means. So, how I have written the cumulative frequency? First 6, then 6 and 8, 14, 14 and 11, 25, 25 and 13, 38, 38 and 12, 50. And at last, whatever you are getting in cumulative frequency, after adding, this must come 50. See here. If you will add, it will also come 50. Then you are correct. Very clear or not? Cumulative frequency means first add and write. Next, if mean is to be found of such type of data, find the mean of a data using cumulative frequency table. If frequency is given, then let us find. Here in cumulative frequency, don't use a small n. Number of observation, use here capital N. So number of observation is 50, and 50 is what? Odd or even? 50 is even. So same case, median will be what? Median is equal to 1 by 2 into n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term observation. Very clear. Now let us see. We have to find the median of that data. Median is equal to 1 by 2, n by 2 means 50 by 2. n means 50, 50 by 2 means 25th. Which one is 25th observation? 25th observation, this is 25th, and 25th, this is number of student, observation is this, 25th observation is 7th. Okay, 25th observation is 7. Very clear or not? And plus 26th observation. 26th observation is what? 26 to 38 is 8. 25th is 7 and 25th to 38 is 8. So 7 plus 8. It means 15 by 2 is equal to 7.5, and this is the answer. Once more try to understand. If frequency distribution table is given, if frequency is given and you are asked to find the median, then find cumulative frequency. When you will write the cumulative frequency, this total will be capital N. So capital N is 50, which is even, and for even number use the formula. Now it is 50 by 2 means 25th observation. 25 here we have got. 25th observation is 7 and 26th observation 25th to 38. 26 to 38, this observation is 8. So 7 plus 8 divided by 2, and that is the median. Okay. Next, one more, or you can do, if problem will be there, we will discuss in the next video. Today up to this much. Now you will solve the examples and the exercise question. Thank you very much.